Nkechi Okorie stirs the pot with her whole shoulder. 81 years old, feet planted in the packed red dust of Mont-Bouët Market's covered food section, Libreville, Gabon. Steam rises off the ofe, thick with ogiri and dried fish, fogging the plastic sheeting above her stall, cutting clean through the diesel smoke drifting in from the car park. Her great-granddaughter, Ijeoma, 7, swings her legs from the stool beside the pot, answering before the question has landed. C'est bon, Mama Nkechi. C'est sucré. Nkechi does not look up from the pot. Kwuo ya n'asụsụ m. Say it in my language. Ijeoma's legs stop swinging. Here is the paradox Nkechi has never once tried to solve. The market outside speaks 4 languages, and none of them is the one she is asking for. And still she asks, every single day, over every single pot. She dips the wooden spoon, blows across it, holds it out. Ijeoma tastes it and pulls a face so deliberately, comically sour that Nkechi's hand freezes mid-air. Nkechi sets the spoon down slowly. She waits. Ndewo? No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 121, week 25, day 1, Monday. Today, the taste words keeping a language alive at the world's edge. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Ijeoma's face doesn't move this time. She is really tasting. Nkechi watches her narrow her eyes the way her grandmother once narrowed hers at Kola Nut before a title ceremony. The market surges outside. Fang prizes, a moped horn, French laughter. Nkechi sells jollof to office workers and egusi to the 3 Igbo families left here. Most days. Nothing to anyone under 40 who can name what's in the pot. Taped to the tin wall sits a rosary, and beside it, a carved figure her mother pressed into her hand in Owerri in 1968. Nobody has ever asked which one she prays to first. Today, 3 sentences that let you taste something out loud and be believed. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Ọ na-atọ ụtọ. In English, it is sweet. Ọ na-atọ ụtọ. Ọ na-atọ ụtọ. Ọ na-atọ ụtọ. Sentence 2. Ọjị na-elu ilu. In English, kola nut is bitter. Ọjị na-elu ilu. Ọjị na-elu ilu. Ọjị na-elu ilu. Sentence 3. Achọrọ m ihe na-atọ ụtọ. In English, I want something sweet. Achọrọ m ihe na-atọ ụtọ. Achọrọ m ihe na-atọ ụtọ. Achọrọ m ihe na-atọ ụtọ. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook this week. Download it at learnigbonow.com. If you're driving right now, just listen. The workbook will wait. Ijeoma sets the spoon down. She looks at her great-grandmother, then at the pot, then decides something. Ọ na-atọ ụtọ, she says, unprompted. The vowels rounder than they've ever been in her mouth. Nkechi's hand goes still at the ladle. She doesn't correct anything. There is nothing left to correct. Outside, the generators keep humming. The horns keep sounding. French and Fang keep filling the covered stalls. And under all of it, for one full breath, there is this. Nkechi has spent 81 years learning what this moment is worth. Onye amaghị ihe na-elụ ilu, agaghị ama ihe na-atọ ụtọ. Onye amaghị ihe na-elụ ilu, agaghị ama ihe na-atọ ụtọ. One who does not know bitterness will not appreciate sweetness. She let the child taste both for this. In Igbo land, our elders never explained why they made us taste bitterness first before sweetness was allowed to mean anything. Emmanuel Emeka Nwaoke, Ebonyi State University, 2019, found that Igbo survives most precariously where it isn't banned but simply not needed. At the edges, where daily life no longer requires it. The Maori of Aotearoa faced identical mathematics with te reo and answered it the same way. What network theorists now call peripheral node resilience, Igbo grandmothers were practicing over soup pots long before anyone gave it a name. Before this day ends, say ọ na-atọ ụtọ aloud as you taste the next thing that crosses your tongue. Not as practice, as a claim. Bitterness taught Nkechi what sweetness was worth. Let today teach you the same. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Download your free speaking workbook at learnigbonow.com. And if this drop gave you a way home today, leave a rating so another learner can find theirs. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Mbanefo. Ka ọ dị mma gị dị mgbe ilu na-atọ na mgbe ụtọ na-atọ. May it be well with you in bitterness and in sweetness alike. Ka anyị hụ echi, until we meet again tomorrow.